Blai phi baro sa sisian pat ha kani jan min ngi song tanat bangyo banyo kendo biang pat phi ki parlok ki baji 5 minute ya kani program Health Essentials ka bawan phi naga du darshan kendra Shillong. Ho ngi te ba baro nangi ngi kwahi bandan ya kata ka met ka ba Koit ba Khiah bat ngi ji osngor ya kata ka kentien ka ba ong mo ka Koit ka Khiah ka long ka spa ba. Tingi te ba bangi im ha kani ka Mariang saudong saukun jungi ngi don ye ki ba ker saudong sa ka saukun ga jungi tamut kal air ka bangi ring mensiam ka uslap kal air ka jinglong ka sun beneng bat ki bun ki ba ha saudong saukun jungi ki bangi takhu man kasngi ka ba kta ya ka jingim ka jungi ha lakasngi bat kum juru kala man kta ru ya ka Koit ka Khiah ka jungi te bat ni tip ru ba ka jinglong ka sun beneng ka long ka wei ni kita ka bangi mat man kasngi bat ngila bat sngo tho ya kata ka jinglong ka sun beneng lani ka jing shit ka jing kriat na ka wei ni ki bor tip tho jungi kata na ka jing sngo jong ka sni do ka jungi te menta ka jan miet ngi kwa banya kren sha halor ka ni ka phang ka ni ka Jingkylla ka sun beneng lani kata ka climate change bat kumnu ba ka kta ya ka Koit ka Khiah ka jungi ubriu lani ukhun benriu ubashong ha ka ni ka slapar thai te menta ka sngi ki banya shimbenta ha ka panel discussion ke jongi ilong I Dr. Pinkambor Pilingdo ibalong I Senior Medical Health Officer cum District Nodal Officer Climate Change NPCC HH bat kum jo rung I don rangkat ba Shri Swapan Das Gupta ibalong I OC Jongkalom Dingri Traffic Branch te haswa banginyo banya shimbenta ha ka jing yakran ya plujung mut ha ka janmiet nginya phasha khendiat chegini ki clippings.
Most people think of climate change as just an environmental issue, but the World Health Organization has declared it the biggest threat to health in the 21st century. Climate change is an urgent problem that affects our health in many ways, now and in the future. Already, we have seen a rise in extreme events like heat waves, floods, and bushfires. These events affect our health, threaten our food and drinking water supplies, and pollute the air we breathe. All of these issues affect our physical and mental health. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are simple things we can all do to protect ourselves and our loved ones from the impacts of climate change. And the best part is they help us to stay healthy and save money at the same time. For example, things like walking or cycling instead of driving, eating a diet full of fruits, veggies and whole grains, reducing the amount of processed and packaged foods you eat, and choosing tap water over bottled and sugary drinks not only help to reduce your impact on the environment but also improve your mental and physical well-being. It's also important to look out for those who are most at risk to the immediate impact of climate change, like the elderly, children, pregnant women, and people with chronic diseases. To adapt to our changing climate and make sure we're reducing the risk of further problems, we all need to work together, from government to industry to communities, right down to individuals. We all play our part. Climate change and health, act today for a healthier tomorrow.
Te hadian ba pila yo I kitu ki katto kat ni ki clippings halor ka ni ka phang ka banginya keren manda ka sngi kata ka climate change bat ka lani kata ka Jingkylla ka jinglong ka sun beneng bat ka bayadai bat ka ni ka Koit ka Khiah ka jungi te menta panginya phai ka studio ko mangalaong haswang ye don angut ki bani shimbenta ha ka ni ka panel discussion menta ka sngi kata I Dr. Pinkambor Pilingdo bat kumju ru I Shri Swapan Das Gupta. Pediang Sobhai P, Doctor and Shri Das Gupta, welcome to the show, and I hope you will have a good time discussing this topic today. Tementangan pasha Shri Doctor kendiat te penculam perang kendiat ke ka climate change.
Hoi kang. Ha ting sha la dangi pai ka climate change. La ni pe ak ten pareng mo ki ong ne kata ka long term change. Ne kata ka Jingkylla jong sun beneng ka ban nek slam ha. Amde baka sulung kela tamata dela saya kala long biang andai kadai ka banek slam bat ka Jingkylla jongka kalong hamtam hakaleng ka jing shit ani ka jing kriat jongka suin beneng Nama kumbangi tip hi ba kadon ki ayam ma kumun chua ngi ong makidon ki saw ayam haka sistem rei la dangi phai pat menta ngim chem shu king makalong kata rei teng haka si ayam ro kaba hak sisngi ro ngila banyo kum ki saw ki santli ki ayam kan te denak takada kum kani climate change ka tho kum ta he ko ong ba kadai kata ka Jingkylla ka bla ne slam ha la kadai ha ka Jingklut la ne ka Jingkriat jong ka swimming la ne kala amlong ro ha ka Jingkylla jong ka ayam kan kum kamlong chok balong mun chua kan kumut menta kum ka teng menta kan slap la sai kan rang la sngi kan long pat ka we ka rukom te kata kan kadai ka sapang climate change but kidaw kila balong le se kala bandong nakame Mariang hi bakawan ra tababun sen hi baka me Mariang kan long kumta kadai hi ka Jingle ka chungi ki breu kan simet hi kum kanuk sala dangi pe kum kane kata ka Jingtah jangkal air la ne katen phareng ong kata ka air pollution kane ro ka we ka daw ka kong santam ka ba ngi kum ki breu ngi penwan ya ka ngi penbuan ka yang la ne ngi Jingtah ne kal air bat kane ka we ni ka daw kong san hi ka ba wanra ni ka Jingkylla ha ka sun beneng kata ka di sapang climate change kendiat
te kum bangala ong haswangi syong hangani ka Mariang saudong saukun mo mengi persat mensim la ngiring mensim ya kal air ngiyo ya ka jingshit ka sngi yu slabat kum ta ter te kum bapila alam prang doktor kendiat ka tu kan hadu kan no kani ka Jingtah kani kal air la se ka kakta ya ka perthai la ni kakta mo ya ka Mariang saudong saukun jungi
la dangi phai ya kata ka cuba ya kata ka Jingkylla mo te katkum ka Jingtip na katkum ka World Health Organization ma kablong ka we ka organization ka ba he tam hak pathe bro Koit sapang ka liang ka Koit ka Khiah te ki ong ba ngi kum ki khon ban rio chung ka ni sla pathe khnai persen na ngi mentai ngi la ring ngi ka ni kal air ka ba chabo kan bat ki don ki report ki ba ong ne ba katkum ka Lancet report chung ka snem arja khat nyo ko ong ne ba kum ba khnai million ngut ki breu kila yap hakarta ka bakim pa de ban yap hajingsha bakata ro kade kada namar ba ka Jingktah chung kane ka jingring ka chongi kane kal air ka bachabo kan ane ka ten pring ong kata ka air pollution te kumbangi yo Jingtip ro ka lingba ki chingwat ban yap ba per kum ka chung ka Lancet ro ko ong ne ba kumba nakasis pa ngut ki breu ki papang ni chingpang klong snam lo ong ba arpo arngut na kita ki yap de nakadaw chung kanika bangiring men se men kel air ka bacobo nang tapat ki ong ba kumba naka sispa ngut ki breu apreu ngut pat kini ki breu ki yap no nakadaw chung kanika jabo chung kanika air mo ka bangiring men se kata long ladangi phai sata ka chingpang ka bangi ong kata ka chingpang stroke lane ka ching kio ko bp haba ki thit snam chung ka chabeng ki la ban bethai nang tapat ki ong ro ba ki don ki breu nala ki badai yang ni Jingpang ka bangi ong kata ka Jingpang ka bakta bahai kitor kata ka COPD la ne ka chronic obstructive pulmonary disease tela dangi siam sispa angut ne kita kinong pang dai ke bayap na kani Jingpang la siam ba kumba san phongut hi kada ba kong san hi ka dai bang kita ki breu ki ring ni kal air ka bacobo bar kum chu ro ki ong ba la dangi siam konuksa sispa angut pat kita ki breu ke ba pang ni ka Jingpang bampong ka bakta kitor kan la ne kita ki long cancer tiki orang ni sau pungut hi kidai hi nak ni kata macam ni ka jingring mense mengenai kal air ko bacobo kan ta nang ta pa kidon ki report kum ka World Air Quality Report chung snem archa khat khandai ro ka batai ka ong shai ro ba kum ka ni ka yuma long kum ni ka ri India ka chongi ro kalong ka we ni kiri ka ba don ka ba chur bha ka ni ka Jingtah chung ni kal air ka bangiring mense tala ong ro ba har ba na ka perthai bro ko wela dang sim kumba laki life hoteli kita ki ri lane kita ki sorba lane kita ki ten pring ki ong kita ki city semua ta ki ba chur ba ka Jingtah la ong ba bon ki ro ki dai hina ka ri India ta ki don ki report ki ba ong ba kat kum ka ICMR report ro chung asa khan nyau ko ong hane ba kumba nriu po nyau langut ki brio ki yap kan pat dai ka por kata kamut subu kai la da ki dai ban yap no new postnam Rea cakap kin poinnya fosnem tanah kadau Jingtah cikan nikal air kemud kiap nak tang kereta ke basan paulan ru fosnem. Mai kata ro kalau namar bak Jingtah cengkal air ke badan cabat cengki yang sem cengi. Teladangi pai pat sa kata ke Jingtah pat cengkal air ke badan hapok yang sem cengi lane kata ke baktin pering ong kata ke indoor pollution. Ta ong bak kumba sau point pra lakmut kibreo hari India kiap. Tang nak kadau man kapor tang nak kadau ba.
Kumut sistem.
Kiap nak nak ni ka Jingkylla jongkal air ka ba don hapok ki sem ki jongi te kita ki ki Jingktah ka meng sutu ba kani ke air pollution ni ka Jingkylla jongkal air la ni ka Jingkylla jongkal air ka ba don ha kani ka swimming ka jongi te ka pelong kini ki jingpang ki bama bangin yo te sutu ba kalong ko besir kai ken ba king la don kam kriki hero bangin le ya ka kan
te khubli shibun doctor ya kata ko jinglam prang jong phi halor kani ka Jingkylla sunbeng la ni ka climate change ba phla batai ya kata ka jing mo kani ka Jingkylla jo kale air shabar ba hapo yeng te mentangan phai no Shri Das Gupta. So sir, you being in the traffic branch, I think you have experienced a lot of air pollution. You know, part of being the frontline workers playing an indispensable role in managing traffic. So I think firsthand you must have experienced the dangers of air pollution. So in your opinion or in your experience, how would you define air pollution?
Yes. Thank you. In Shillong, most of the urban cities, we are having 7 traffic branches. And we all face day-to-day problem because in Shillong, vehicles are moving very, very slowly during daytime, school hours, office hours, peak hours. The vehicle are going on, it's causing lots of pollutions because the emissions falling. And vehicle maintenance is very low all over the Shillong. And the pollution certificates also, they are getting only 2 places in Shillong. One is in Motinagar and another is Mariang. Size they are having 2 pollution controls. Secondly, the moment our constables are standing on the road and the vehicle is going to bumper. So automatically they are playing post and emissions, bad malfunctioning emissions, pollution is coming and he is get the faster and he is encountering every day. The constables or the officers, whoever traffic stores are there. And the vehicles, since it is not getting the vehicles which he always placing the accelerators, automatically emissions is coming very more. And maintenance is very low. And we have always find in Shillong, especially heavy vehicles like petrol tanker, buses, trucks, the mini trucks, those who are coming from the interior, coming to the Molongan Bazaar or the Lumdingjiri market or somewhere, they are coming with the passengers and while going back, they are going with the goods, all the essential commodities they are taking to the early. I'm just giving an example, just from the Colossi fire brigade, it comes to Nongthumai side, it comes off. So vehicles are on the road and the moment they are coming in a fast gear, they are giving lots of pollution. Sometimes it becomes the backside vehicle, he cannot have the look also of what the vehicles was going on side.
Yes.
So much pollution already by facing. And there is no infrastructure also that will be running. So there should be some validity of the vehicles. We have found that more than 30 years, 40 years old vehicles are also on the roads. What we say, what we suggest, that this type of vehicles should not come in the proper town because they are not getting inched also. They are making chaos, they are making noise pollution, they are making air pollution, etc., etc. So these type of vehicles should be on the road or they should maintain properly. The type of vehicle, the government also should be there, and from our department also we are trying hard. But the thing is this particular vehicle, if we detain somewhere, it causes more jam on it. That is also another challenging we are facing day by day. That's why we always suggest that mindset of the people should be changed. That diver should be. We are giving random awareness also as per the direction of the police headquarters, our DGP and all, our SPs and all are in a dynamic characters. They are always telling us make awareness on the. So very often, whenever we are bit free on the community hall like Saturday or Sunday, we are organizing some in our Thana level, in a Gambura level, or in a Darbarshanang levels. Somewhere we engage some divers, we make delay, especially commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles, they are coming and they always. It is not only traffic, is not only the traffic people. There is come, DT office come, enforcement score is, task force is coming, PWD is coming up. This is the condition of the road all over the Shillong city. You go anywhere, you will find a big pothole, especially just for one rain all over. Recently I was in Rinja, I have seen that Dajon line side, Damshinyang side, it is a horrible condition.
So if I do understand you right, I mean the congestion of the road, and then there's too much traffic jam, and the vehicle has to travel at a slower speed, and then they have to drive their car at in first gear or second gear, and the emission, the carbon emission is more because they are driving slow and in the congestion, isn't it?
Exactly.
Do I understand that right?
Yeah.
So that's why the pollution is more in the city.
Pollution is more in the city,
Yes.
and everyone is victimized, and our constables, our officers, those who are victimized more.
So that is quite a hazard on the on the constable, on the
Exactly.
Yes, it's quite a hazard on their health.
They are accordingly they are having a breathing problem.
Yes.
Sometimes
And they have
sunburn,
to stand there for hours and hours on their duties.
and during COVID time, everyone was using the masks and all. Now that also they can do, because they have to now every now and then they have to blow the whistle, and they are having a VHF set. We all are having VHF set. We have to speak for the communication.
Yes.
That also we have to do. If anyone is
So it's
anyone is
impossible
only,
for them to
it is not possible for them to wear masks also.
Yes,
That is also another challenging there. These are the things.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yes, ki ong bang kini ki traffic police ki bang i ba pen bet ya kan ka jingyat bet ya nanti ju ki kali hapo ka sor ka jongi ki ha ban sha shibun kan ka jingmi kan ka tedam ka bajak Khiah ka ba mi na ki kali ki ba ya kham tam ha ka sor ka jongi ka bagi kali ha ban ya suki bat kat ba kanang ya suki ka kali ka taru ka jingmi jo ka tu ka tedam ka pa pen sneo la nemo kata ka carbon dioxide kanang jur ba kanang kta ya ki tor bat ya ka Koit ka Khiah ka jongi ki brio. The doktor ngan pai biang shepi habang ipet ya kan ka jing jabo dan ka jing Khiah jong ka le air mo I sir mentan ila batai te kadang ka jing pe doktor habang ipet ya ka sor bagi ka nong kendong hatu kum tu ko bapi ong mene ki tu ki statistics pila ai bak yap ki brio mo de ki tu ki lak klen satlang ka perthai bat ka shisnam hatu ka ne ka jing khen ka bapi ai ka de ka ju ha ki ka nong kendong bagi ka sor bagi jing Khiah jokal air ka de ka ju ne ka per ki ka sor bagi ka nong kendong
te haswa bang long kini ki jingsiam kan ani kita ki data te bunsing kita data lang ki sim kulum ma long kelas sulit ada jingkelum kelale random untuk te larangi pet ung sutu hi larangi pai saki taki sos ne kitan rai chung pen mi kini kel air bacoba ma kombangi ong ba kini kel air bacoba la pen mi daki ar bentama kawe kalong se ka de na kami Mariang ma kombangi te ba air pollution kombangi coba cengkal air ma kidan ki air ki ba pencoba ekal air ha chung sai kem dei bandon kombangi ngitip ong ba ka oksigen ka dei bandon tang arpo way persen hakal air dan ka nitrogen ka dei bandon 90% pat ki way pa ki dei bandon ko masih persen ai dan dei kidan pat na kita ki jingmi ka bale se ka penmi da kami Mariang dan yang penmi da mengi ki brio da kamta kan long kum konuk sama larangi pe ki don kita ki sulfur dioxide ki nitrogen dioxide ma ki ozone nang ta pa kita ki don ki coba ka bangi ong ki bakham kongsan mai bakta bharo ka chung ki brio ro ya ka Koit ka Khiah ro ki ba ong ki particulate matters ki size 2.5 planeten bari bakham chur hi ki bakta bha ki ba la bandung slu sekitar bat ki titsnam chung ki brio slu ki cabeng ki la bandung bat ki pensneo pa ya ka chung brio ki ki particulate matter 2.5 ken kemudian kum ka size chung ki kemudian 2.5 micron meter ma te ladangi pai kamta tangi kemudian soto ken ba ka hanong kendong hibun se ladangi lech nong kendong ni hi ba ki chakai ki kham khoi ma bal se ki kharkhana ro kimdon ki kalir kham dona kamur kita ki sos ne kitan rai ba penmi ka chabo ro ki kham dona bat ki bon ki data ki ba ong ba ki nong kendong ki kham biang ladangi check ro ka air quality index la ki la kala ban long ki mobile ki chongi na ki apps ne la da check ro mana Central Pollution Control Board ne kadon kata ka site ka ki ong ka suffer ani ka samir apps kita kemudian ada check ni kita ne ya ka caka chong piro pilak mencem baka Koit na ka chabo ma da kamut ngisem ba ya kata ka air quality index so larangi pai kemudian ngisem ba kini ki caka sor ki kham chabo ma lani ki no caka ki badon ni ki subu ki kharkhana ma ki ba penmi ki tedam ki ba per ma lani ki caka ki ba ki snai jing tei ki yang kisam komputer ter kemudian kini kita cakap kin penmi hasibun ke pom mat kini ro kilom kin penmi kini kita cabo ma te larangi check air quality index so ka ba long khrang bang sutu jing cabo cangkal air kan kata ro ka penmi kan ba ha kini kita cakap compare subu ka lada kidai hanong kendong ro lada kidon kini kharkhana ba penmi ni cabo ro kemudian ka tu ka cakap ka ba marchan ya ka tu kandon be ya kata ka kacingcur jong coba jong air ane kata ka ambience air pollution ane ka outdoor air pollution ma te larangi pai pat let's say kidon kibrio ro ngin pej ma lara kum hasor pat kidon kini kibrio ki bas ki ba diting dia harut surok ro ancang jam bun sen larangi pej ka chuan ka jing kan mau ba komaki bun singin pej kim chu ading ki mas ki tadi maki hi ki basya ya tu ka tedem ne kal air ne ka ba mi ne ki coba ma kalau balong nak tadam cingih kali, namanya tip mana tadam cingih kali kepenmi kecabok apa kumka nitrogen dioxide, lane ka carbon monoxide, lane sulfur dioxide kini kilong kiba ma bah, pi ya ka med kecong brio. Tapi hajuk kapur kini ki particulate matter so kilum lang, nomor kini particulate matter so orang di kita kilong pinyat barit bahaya bangim lah ben ira khamat cingih. Tapi kini kita kecingum lang cung kini balong ki kenca air, lane ki balong kenca naik balong kencai ki baik ki alum lang kan taki poin itu ka size 2.5 micrometer taki tu tingim na aben i ta haba ki rung pat naki khmut ki jongi ki lech ki tor nang ta na autor pat ki lech ki snam so klong snam na klong snam par pen sa preng keleng cakamet ting sutu kan ba lada ka cabo karung sakamet ka jongi hadu kat noi ka ka cingta ka met ka pha ka jongi ka long kan ta kamu ngi sutu be ka de ka kamra phet han ka de ka nong kendong na ka ayu mereka de ka cakar ka bikidon kini ki cakar ka ba penmi yaki coba kan kalak balong ruk subuh hanong kendong ngidon ka cakar ka te nyut ngi tangi kinyut ba pher ta kata ruk kalak balong ka we na ka da ka ba penmi kan ka cing coba ya kal ya kan ta kamu ngi sotu ba ka ngi la ban oh ta kom ba ka we kalak balong na ka penwana ini ki coba are na ka Mariang ta ka Mariang pa kono kom penmi kan ta kata kalong teng ha ba ki wan kini ki eryong ki wan rai pum ma tentang kalau badan kita cakap kita thay gini ki bolkono lane kita ki lumi ding ki ok ting kasima te let's say kalau balong ba ma ka ting shit ka ang pala chung kasingiem te ki cloud ki tap ki long ki pluk na kan ta kata kalau ki kada ta tentang pa kalau balong ba ki don ki mat po khndo ba penmi ki jail air ki ba bi ro ba don ka bi kan po chung ki te kita kalau balong ben pencoba kan ya kalau dangi rimen sim kata kamur kabut ya kacing maya kasim ka chungiแต่ก็หมดระดับคิดต้องก็คณะเขาเวทีไม่มาแรงเลยระดับกี่พายปัจจุบันเป็นตาปัจจุบันงี้กี่เปรี้ยวปัจก็ลงกันแต่กันกี่กาลีกี่คาร์ขนากี่จักรบินชนายเองแล้วในกี่สุรกกี่จักรบินชนสุรกแล้วในกี่ตะกี้ปัจจุบันตาเตอร์กันก็หมดกี่บางงี้กี่เปรี้ยวเป็นมีกันแต่ก็มึงงี้สุดโหเฮบาระดับกี่เช็คกี่นั่นก็มันกันดันไปกี่จริงๆเพื่อกันเอาเป็นกี่จักรนักตะกร้าบางงี้ดอนการอยู่บนเช็คอยากการจึงคู่จังก็เลยแอร์กัน
kini ki bakla je doktor tamut taki tam ki jingsar ki jingkam ki jongi ki brio tamut kini kita ki factors lani kita ki daw ki ba ya no senyang syakani ka jingwan ra ka jingkela ha ka sun beneng kini ki ba kamut ka ba ki ka jingem ka jingki ki jingsar ki jingtre jing ki brio ni hab ban pet ngor kanu ka ba ngila ban yadai ka Mariang bat kanu ka banginang pensniu ka Mariang de doktor tele singin nang yo banang ya keren shu halon kita mo Mr. Dasgupta, so when we look about earlier you've described about that air pollution and how the traffic police who are on the road, how they are suffering. And what about clean and polluted air? How would you imagine that we could get again this clean air, especially in the city, especially when the traffic policeman can stand on the road and then enjoy clean air? Do you think that is still possible?
It is possible. The mindset of the people have to be changed.
Yes.
Each and every people have, if he thinks in that we'll make it a greenhouse, we'll make it some tree plantation. Even the I personally believe we should not believe always that what the government will do for us, what the government will get the infrastructure for us. We think that we all are educated people, we are sending it over the good schools and colleges. Why in a bad day, why we are not giving one sibling in a one particular place so that green tree will come, when the plantation will come, greenhouse will come, so that air will be polluted. Otherwise, I don't find any. If we are totally funding, so then a government will do something, a government will clean the air. It is not possible. We have to do it ourselves. We have to do something. What is my contribution for this state? What is my children? Let my children, instead of spending a birthday in a hotel or somewhere, let him give him some trees, simply to plant in somewhere place where at least one plant can grow. That's why everyone will be benefited. Not only my traffic constables, even he will be benefited. The next generation will be benefited. It's not it. That's why it is my way of thinking. Then there is a question of health checkup. Then there is a question of the systematic arrangement, posting of those who are in highway. They will be transferred after 1 or 2 years. Alternative in some place where there is no highway, where there is less pollution. That's why the traffic will not be only those who are facing about breathing problems and will give you the thana problems somewhere in some other places. Then they are having some less resistance. Those who are not healthy, those who are not physically fit to be in the holidays, because he is directly inhaling the pollution each and every day for the 12 hours continually from 7 to 9, which is near about 15-16 hours. Sometimes they are performing double duty also. So it is very tough for the, especially for the constables and havildars, those who are on the route in the main town.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so what you said is very true, that we can give free samplings and then ask the take the responsibility or the community participation.
Community participation should, and you should come, and we all should come. It is our headache, it's our responsibility.
The thing is that, sir, is the location. You see, as for the sake of expanding roads, for the sake of expanding a good communication road, we have to even cut down the the grown trees. So the irony is that we have to cut down, we have to clear some forest land and all that, to allow the road to, to be built. So you see, we have to, there should be community participation as well as participation with the government, so that we can see that there's balance.
The government is planning, see, our government of Meghalaya is planning to shift the total days. During COVID time, we have seen new market has come out. We need to go for everything for the Molughat or Idu or somewhere in a particular bazaar. We have, this COVID has given lots of lessons to us. We all know it. In every nearby places, you will find a market where you will get all your commodities for a vegetable, fish, chicken, mutton, whatever is the government. That's why the village is not depending in only. Aksha and people cannot do the monopoly also. Government is planning to shift the total crowd to the other.
Yes, it has to expand.
There are new Shillong towns, like a Mohum, Saoli, and lots of central government infrastructure, lots of state government infrastructure, even the secretariat and assembly also will be coming there. So there is a lots of getting in totally greenhouses. So naturally this type of thinking, so whenever this is coming, automatically the quarter will be come out, infrastructure companies, all the staffs also will be staying there. Automatically there is, but it will take a little bit time. It's not that is that within a short time everything is not possible. That's what.
So hopefully we will see that the
little bit relief.
There will be more improvement.
This is not a permanent relief, but a little bit relief definitely will be having within 2-3 years, not much. Government has shown us, even in the today's paper also, government is planning to make 2 designated parking, one in a Polo commercial place for the vehicles, around about 250 vehicles will be accommodated. Again, they are planning to near the additional segregated parking. They are doing it in a hangar wise. So these are the planning is going on. So government is going to hope some new infrastructure is coming in a modernization way, new technology is using. So we hope that yes, definitely something is going positive to it. We have to think in that way.
Thank you, sir. Tangan Pai HP Dr. Tekum Kinu Kibrio Dr. Bakila Ong Bakakta Mokanika Jingabo Jingkylla Jokal Air Hatu Kidon Kita Ki Brio Ki Bakamlong High Risk Kibala Banmo Kibakloy Banyo Ekan Jingpang Nakanika Jingjabokal Air.
Kami kita kibrio mana ketin perang kita ki vulnerable population mah dan kita kibrio belada cur pelat kene ka Jingkylla jongkal air kene ka air pollution kamut ka kata bahagian. Te ya kita kibrio ni Jingkylla ngilak bentai ki hakisan bentai. Mah ke bentai ke Bandengkong lada ngipek Jakarta ke Chongki. Mah te ki ong ne bagi tu ki kelung ki ba dangkha hadu apo sansnem ki long kita ki de ki we ne kita ki brio ki bala ban sakta bah kanika Jingkylla jongkanika le mo bat ki we pat ki long kita ki teman ki kro ladang sim kat kum karta ladang pai pat skowi pat jinglong jing brio pat kalong ki kebaar pagi kita ki long kemi ki ba armet mar ko bangi tip hi bah kapor ki long kemi ki armet kamet jongki ka don kam sibun bah ka bam ka di ka don kam sibun bah ka nutrition nai ta kamet jongki kalong bala dangi baklan nai kemudian klaim haban yo Jingpang baper. Tapi hak cok orkom ro subuh ladai ilong kebe ba armen. Ilek secaka ka bacur bahkan ni kecabo. Tapi kemudian ki ong ba ka kini kecabo kirung seka met kecong i. Wal kamta mil se kalak bendung seka si kelung ro. Hak ba i ipun apa jeng i. Tapi kalak mengkata ya ka jenghe jengsan kecong i. lane ka cingmur cing perkat ke cong i lane kala ban kta e kitor ke cong i badon ki ba ongru ba ladai ki syong thana kita ki cekai ki ba chur ba ka ni ka cingcobo cong kal er ki ong ba kila ban thau ki kenca cingpang bampong lane kanser ki ba per ma ki bang ong kata ka leukemia lane ka kata ka tetratoma bat kum ta ter lane ka retinoblastoma kum ta ter ma ta ladang pai pat ki pat ki cai brio pat ki bala ban sakta ba kalong ba ki tu ki brio ki ba adon lupai ki cingpang hapok kitor ki congki ken mo lane hata ki long si congki lane ha ki klong snam ki congki lane kum kanuksa ki tu ki brio ki badon nek cingpang sahiau ba kum ta ter ma tanong ta pa lada lagi pai ki we pak benta kata klong benta ka basau long kade ya ki tu ki brio hi ki ba ngichu ong ba ki khamduna ka yo ka kot mar ko bang itip kidan ki cai brio ki ba let's say kum haki imlang ka salang ma la ka cingyo cingkot konci kalong ka ba duna ba la ne ka low socio economic status ka congki ma ta kum bang itip let's say na kaleng congki kinumla bahaban bu ban yo ya ka bam ka di ba biang la ne ba kinyo ban res ba la dia na mar ka ban tristom mar kum ta ka met ka ci ka tolot ba chubu la da ki leit ci cakai ka ba chur ba ne ka cingcopo congkal airport ki ong ba ya kita ki brio ki kham kata ba ke nomor ba ka met ka pa congki kam long ka ba klain lane ka balong klain pura kan ngila badong ma ta ka bakhat do bat ka ka benta kalong ka kata bahaya kitu ki brio ki baterai hakini ki cakai kan kum kanuk sa la kitu ki brio ki baterai kum i ma sa i sir i don ne ma ta me iru i traffic police ta kum ki ni ki pulit ki ba penyat ki ni kaliru ki de ki we ni ki brio ki basak kata bah kan ka pollution ma nang ta pa kitu ki brio ki baterai haki cakai ki ba snai ki ba pher ne kharkhana la ne kita ki factory ki ba pher bar kum ta ter kan ta kum ngila bentai ki haki chan bentai kan kum kini ki cai brio ki brio ki basak kata bah ka ne ka air pollution ma nama ki kandu bah berobor bar kamet sungkir kamlong kamdan takabor ka klain pura bikin yelek percaya kan kecabok
katakin doktor ngi pat la ngi lech ki yo ki hat ngi ba ki babon ki long kmi ki ba ki khun ki jong ki brang grit ki brang dei ban pensiong hi yang la wan ba she yudu la ne mo she sor te nganget skamba ko ba pila batai ki tu kalong ka kan bu ki jing ma ba kham dei
kadai nama ko bangitip nomor ki khulung khna te ki patlong ki ba la klain pura ka met bikin yelek percaya pi telara subuh urung suk niu kini ki cingcobo congkal air sakamet ka cong i takam ka plong i bikin telat lara telat kam kan kata nama kini ka cingcobo congkal air ka kata na duk khri aduk chan iga banta cong kamet cong brio kan tara de nak ta kada long nyata nak kaleng conga kerpat no iki bapek akani iki be osngeru akani kapor mo ba la kalong ka bala ta ka ba pinum yalam kini ki kalong kam tam itu barang apok san snap nama ka met ka congki ka patlong ka bakhlain lane lada kita men ki kro laki le tu kin sobha bikin ding ki banyadai ki kan kum ki mas khanang ba namar nang le hiyo to ngitip ki bun ba ka chabo ba pher la kalong ka ki dawai ne ki ba penchabo ekal air ne la kalong ki khnyang ba pher ba penchabo ekal air kum ki po ko khnyang covid pa kum ta kan ta kum ngi habalong khamosiar kan
kate ubleshi bon doctor and Mr. Dasgupta, so we already know that the air is polluted, especially in the urban areas. It's already polluted. So how do we know? How do we test? How do we know, like the air quality index tool? Who can use that? How do we know? How do we learn to use it?
As far as the vehicle is concerned, we are having the pollution. It has got the validity. Whenever you are doing the pollution test, 6 months of validation is there. But we central government or the government, state government have to make it mandatory. The moment you will say that you are without pollution certificate, your insurance can be renewed, your permit won't be renewed, your fitness won't be renewed. If they have to make it right there, then only all these things will be. As per the section 190 clause 1 MB Act, there is using vehicle in unsafe condition, there is 1,500 rupees fine. That we generally do because most of the vehicles coming to the Shillong from the very interior world, especially those buses and all, vehicle trucks and all. So we generally do, but as per the law, we should do it section 190 clause 2 of the vehicle, which is a 10,000 rupees fine. And the next enhancement punishment is the miss. It is a second offence. It is a 20,000 rupees fine. The fine is very happy, which some poor people won't be able to pay also. So we little bit reliant on humanitarian ground. That is sometimes into the heart, and is in a conflict. We listen to heart. We don't do it. We take 1,000 fines with a warning. We renew your pollution. certificate. But sometimes we have think all that also. That some people get through mobile. They are getting the certificate on the mobile. They are asking that get by pollution renewed. Otherwise, police will catch. Only there are some people. Some people having the mentality that when they are going on the road, they are not wearing helmet. They will say the police they will wear helmet in such a way that even this helmet is for your own safety, for the opinion rider and the opinion rider. It's a safety. So in this type of fitness, that's board gears and all. Like I'm giving an ardent example. During school time, you will see lots of scooty riders. Parents are coming, father, mother, both are wearing helmet. But the children, small children, class 2, I think, coming to advanced, coming to lot, you see that small children, as per the section 94, we are supposed to take 1,000 rupees. But in humanitarian ground, in being a policeman, is it wise to detain that vehicle for 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes and ask for the fine and all? The same thing.
So I would like to come back to my question. You see about the air quality index. How do we know, determine the air quality index? Like for the lay people, they won't know what is the air quality index. So is there a tool? So how can we use it? How can the public know about the, to use the tool so that we can be aware that certain areas, the air quality is, risky for people to go.
Pollution control board is there. They have got their own infrastructure, new infrastructure, new technology coming. They definitely they going. But in comparison to other states, our state is very much only the industrial town like Umiam site, Barnyard site is now still it is a satisfactory fruit, but because we are having enough greenery in Meghalaya, especially in highway and other places. If you see in the Shillong-Guwahati road also, enough greenery you see. So we are much more safer than in other states. Only in the proper Shillong city we are facing this because lots of trees, as you have told us, that for the expanding of the rose garden, because their development have to be there,
yes.
More communication have to be yes. But my point is this: when you are cutting one tree, at least you plant 2 trees. You plant 2 trees. That concept have to be there. Especially from the central governments and all the CRPF, BSA, they have got the plan also. In any occasions they are planting. From the state police also we are doing in some occasions. So my point is that why should the government peoples all they will do? Let the everyone comes. Let the NGO comes. Let the school authority comes. Everyone comes and make this type of occasion.
Okay.
We will plant at least 2,000 trees in this only centrally. Like, don't do it for the future.
Okay. Teman-teman doktor ngakwa ban pai bi shipi kini ki jingpang kita ki jingpang pat mane pla batai kat tu no mo ki tu ki manu ki bal kita ki high risk group ni ki vulnerable group ti ki ki jingpang pat ki bala ban mi na kan ki jing clear kala ya
ma te larang pai pat jingpang ki bala ban mi na kan ki jing jabo la ne jing clear jong kan ka sui beneng ma jong ka me Mariang te ngila ban pia ki arban ta ka we ten pring ki on ka short term effect ane ka long term effect. Short term effect kemud kakta tang katukan epor ladangi ladakan ka cabo kacur bha kita kilong kum kalamakan laba ka pollution lane kan ka cingcabo jong kala air kacur bha kemud ki khmat chumi jongi kensat to kemud chungi ru apor mingiri mense mikine kemud unsat ma uteng kror unsat unpang nang tangin sayo ak cingcer ho pat kham phang pat ngila ban yo yani ka cing takhle lane kata ka headache lane kan ka cing bayong lane giddiness but komputer kita kilong kita ki short term effect kemud ladakan ni kacing coba kaca no kemud kaca no hadin katukan ni por kai tong ba let's say ladangi pat ngidon ha kita cakap pat ki pa man ka singi yo bi kan kal air ka coba ka bacur ha kemud ngila ban yo kita ki long term effect kan ane kita ki jingpang ki ba khamsir khai lang ki ba ne slam ma taba ban phai kata pat ngi ha ban pet kan ni pet na du khli ha du chat dai ladangi phai ngin siam ladang sedang nak kli ngin pe kacabi komno ka kata kanika taka air pollution kacabi ningkong ki ong maktin freng ki ong dementia lan kata ka cingklet no mo sepang ki klet iki bakile nang taka cing kata ka concentration ro nan kata ka cingla cungi bangin perkhat ro ka kata badon ki khep le lada di klung khna le kamur wat kani kata ka ong ka cingnang cing start ka cingtip ka chongki ro kaduna larangi kata di sepang kecaping. Talarangi pei pasal kumut pat ki omba laktin pring ki om ngio kita ki allergic sinusitis. Lain kata ka cingset cungka kumut. Keban Islam hadu kata ka ba let's say cing sabun sen ki om larangi ngilek kumut kini ki allergic sinusitis kenca no em larangi kinduk se kinduk tu kumaka kadon kan ka cing block cungki kumut ngima ban mensin. Talarangi pai pat larang hiar pakam sapo pat ngilak ban poi sekitar. Dah kitor pat ke cingpang ke pangilak ban yo ki ong kata ka astma la ne keting kasing ong kata ka sahiau. Ma ke cingpang sahiau. Ka ban ne slem ha larangi syak langi yo syo kene ka ayu kom kelak ban yalam sekecing ma. Kamu buat sekecing yap ro pa. Ta kita kita cingpang ki ong kita ki COPD bar ka bahaman ka do hi kalong ba ngilak ban yo ro ka cingpang bampong cung kitor kan. Ma. Ta kata kalong sepang kitor talarangi pai pat cuklong senam pat hauklong senam ro ka kata pa. Nama ka pelong kita ki ischemic heart disease ma. Dekat kibri ki la banyap nak kata ro lagi heart attack ki bangi sit ong ba bon ba kibri ki yo heart attack nama kata kada ka cingcobo cing kene ke air kalong ka kata ba ka long ko bang la ong mene ma maka cingcobo cing ke air kalong ka wen ki dau ba ka bala banyalam ngi sang ni ka cingpang ma kani ka cingpang kalong komta kalong baki thit senam cungklok senam hi ka senam ka wanu klok senam ta kan net situ ki benta ba per cungklok senam kamla ke masuk lai takada ki bri ki yo ni ka heart attack tanang ta nalora kata pat kawe kala belong bukong senam utit stat hadu kata ka ba ki bri ki la banyap kata kalong sepang kulong senam ta kala man kata riu do nod ro tamat bun sen ki bri ki ong ba ngiyo ikini ki fatty liver lan ki cing sop khen yo do nod nang ta ka cing pang kanser la ong ba kadon ki cing dai ka bacan ba ka ni ka cing chabo cing kala ta la pa ki snir ro hakis niro ngisut ong ba teng la bam cing bam masen bam hab mare na wurwud kamut kamne ka bam ka kpo yak tuk ten phring ngisut ong kata inflammatory bowel disease ma kamut kani ka cing jabo cukul er ka thayo kata cing pang la sem ba la lap kan maka
Ni ka IBS.
ya kata ka IBS to kadon ke cing dai bacan berkata ma tanang ta ki ong ba kila misnai ki kanser ka ba per kala belong kata ka colon ne ka rectal ba kum tatat ma ta wat ki khalai la ne ki ni ki bentai ki pipe penci la ne ka pla penci ro ki ong ba la ne ki cagai ka ba ni sli penci ro ki ong ki sit sao ki la ban sao bat khado la da klab don sidon la bon pala ni ki chabo pat ki la ban thau ka cingpang bampong kanแต่ก็กำเนิดอมตั้งแต่ในกะละมันแต่เอ็กซ์นี่ดอกจังพีกะละมันขอพรองสนิดดอกพลาบันมีกี่เปอร์เซ็นต์นังแต่กะละบันอมดอนกิจิงปังปัดกี่บาตั้งเละเซลานิชิมดาวไวร์งิมเจมกันมาแต่กะมัดรู้กี่อมกระดอนจริงๆได้kitaกี่ rheumatic diseases มานังแต่วัดนับพิพากษากี่บรรดารู้อย่าสกิสเองรู้กี่อมบากระดอนตักจิงปังกับ osteoporosis มาแล้วในกะจิงสตังเนาะจังกี่เองบัดคมชั่วรู้กี่ละบันเข่งกี่เองรู้แล้วในกี่ fracture กันลองkita kiri kat tu kat ni cing pang bar kabakadu hi kalong ba wajak ka metabolism la ne kata ka cing la cing kamet bahkan kumnoi kan ni kabam ka bangi ba mangi de ba pensapriang ki ni vitamin kamet am kakta la ne kata ka metabolic disorder ma ta ya kata kakta bar kabakadu hi kalong ba bon hi kibrio la da kisa ki ni ki euro ni sem ba kiyo ya ta ka obesity la na ka kata ka cing sngai ka ba mi hap kat kum ka cing cerong la ne ka cong pi kan kita kilong kat tu kat ni ki cingpang ki bangala abang keren akan ni kepuan am ta ka kepala abang nginyo anak ta ka cing cobo cengkal air ke
te let's say doktor ngako aban kali fi nam ta ki parlok ki jongi mo ki bapet ya ban skor tin kasi ya kani ka AQI mo la ni ka bangala kali saru pin penchai ni kin det halo
to ma ya kani ka AQI kamu kadai kata ka air quality index ma ka ba onak ten pareng kani ka cing sangi ka long kan yarap ingi kadai larang ngilak banyo ikini dai ko ngin wat bania larang ngilak saka website jong ni ka Central Pollution Control Board men step ro ngang la check guys phang ni ka Meghalaya ka long ka don em re wat la ka leng ka jong ka Meghalaya Control Pollution Board ro ka pen i ba kum halum pengat ka don kum ba arpulai ka air quality index ka long arpulai kemut ka hak kata ka benta ka biang kan mo kata kalong kemut larang ngilak na kata la ne kata ka batai mener ang kata ka safar kabari jong ka ministry jong ka environment lane ki samir apps kita ro pilak download di kita lane pilak menculai ke mobile su check tang ta ki AQI ro kempen salap ma da kata kalau kowe tala dangi pai pat nama bangin so tho pat phang ka ekani ka ta ka AQI ma kamu kani AQI ka batai kan ya pi ba ka to ka chaka jong pi ka longkum no ka biang na kata ka la air ka khoit kam khoit ma ta ki sim na do zero hado sanspa ta ka som kat kum pi kolor teng nginum kan mau ke yu ne lang ngila ben spet ni kolor ki oh ne ka nengkong ro kolor kalong ka green ka khamdum rong ka de karong cengam ka khamdum rong ma ta kata ke AQI index pa ka de not hado sun power ka ne ka pen i pa kalong good kum ka kata thanya ka yangi ki pai ba ke ma lada kalong hapo sun power te lada kalong light green pat ka level kalong sun power hado sispa ka ne par ka pen i pa kalong satisfactory mu ka subiang tang bak lada ki brio pat ki bomi ha begini ki cabo dai lada ki mi sabar kila banyo ya kata ka cing cenca bikin mensiam kan mo Talada hadian kata pak kawan sekata ka rong ka ong ka yellow lane ka rong stem. Kata par kawan ka level chung ka AQI index pa kade sispa away hadu arspa. Kamu hangni pat long lada ki brio kita tu kicing pang hakitor ki klong senam ni. Kamu lada ki mi shabar lada ki expose lada ki Khiah kan nikal air ka ba lada expose kan nikal air ka baca bo kamu kena mak bring mensem kan. Mo. Ta hadian la kata ka ba yu ada ta kawan sekni ka rong so aktin kasi ki ong lada ka rong orange aktin paring. Kani pak kade nado aspa away hadu lai spa. Talada kata ka deka air quality index. Ta hakani pat long ki brio bon ki brio hi lada ki Khiah than yak ni ni. Kamslam kan lada prolong exposure ki ong ma. Kamu kata iki bikin ring mensem. Tal kawan sekali karong pak kata ka red. Kata ka red pan ong ka long very poor ka air quality index. Pak ha ka orange ong ka poor. Hakani ka red ong very poor. Dah hakani ka very poor pak kamu bon ha ki brio lada ki syong palat. Lada ki expose palat ning Khiah palat yakani ka air baca bo kamu kalong kumno kalong banging sa iyo kita ki cencar ngiri mensem kala amat haru ki pang kita. Mo mat ka bakhadu bama do hi kadai kata ka level ka bang ong kata ka red color mo katuka ayu ka along red ane kalong severe very severe kamu wala ki bri ki basat baklain do la ki Khiah tang tu ane por yakani ka air ka baca bo kan baca bo bahadu tata kamu kala bang kata ka met ka phat kon chiki ka kitor ki chungkir ki la bang kata ba ka bama syu ba kung tu ki bri ki ba dul pa ki chingpang ba pero ba kam tam ki kitor ki long snal me ka met chungki ka trot adu kata kemudian kita el ka kim long dal le ro bakin mi kan na ta kada long kini ki ai kita ne kat kum ki rong kana ki bri bom sotho kin sotho da karong ma ki bri ba sotho kin pe di ki dambar to ma ki long kum ta kan la season ni ba ka across kan ka sispa kam ka long pur ta ka ba ki bri bikin mi kan sabar Kidon ski wiki ro mingin sa lala kapor kasya ting sa krem mo.
Kapor kanum sya syu.
Tangan cu batay ta khandiat mo. Tatang khandiat hi long kalong bangal kumno ngin yada. Kawe kalong hi bangi de le resource reduction lane ngin prunai chupen mi jong kini kecabo. La kadi hayeng hasem lane sabar. Kamut kum kadi secret ka thang kini ki stop ke bomlong ki bam penmi kecabo ngim dai kan. Mo kanok sa. Nang ta ka baar pa kalong ba bangi de bantung ki ding sibun laki long ki ding na kisenteu ma kabalai pat ki ong hne ba ngi de ban le khno long arang gidon ki chingpang ki tor ki chongi le pen i doktor ta ka bakham kung san ka we ro ba long ka ba ngas le se ba bon ngim te kalong balada pisa lane if you are staying in a very polluted place kan air polluted ta kamul ada hakita ki chaka ki ong ba pimde ban le exercise lane kilan met ha ka por men step ane ha kapor chan met kapor ba biang do hi ki ong ba pide ban le exercise ha kapor ba khalar ba che chan met kamut 12 pm hado 7 pm kani di kapor ba yu ba chakai ki balong chabo kan ma kita ka along kat kum kita ki evidence ane ki jing wat banya ba pher ki sem ba khalar ba che chan met hado 7 ba che ka di kapor ba biang ba pin le ba kum chu re ki ing sem chungi ro kamang ide man kan ma ba ngim de ban play ki ni ki khalki ma ne ki ki ha ka por mistem a por chemet ha ki chakai ki ba chabo ba kemudian dia itu ipor kat arah do sahabat je. Kalau kita ke Twitter pak kum telah ada pi use pi penan kami ni ki air purifier kemudian haban baik kat kum bagian dulu gitu ki manufacturer dan company ki basnai ki ongi pi bikin penan kam. Nang tala pi man kapor kemudian pi dia balik check up ilade yo pi don ke cingpang kitor mo. Ta pi dia ban ngu salia kan. Ndai ka e ka badon kam kalau pi haban mi be sakmat la pi don ke cingpang ba ka bakang kung san hi ka bangitip mo ba hakat nyu tarik September Ngia rakhi kan kasngi ba International Day of Clean Air for Blue Sky. Berkat tim cengkai kalong kata kalong Together for Clean Air. Kemudian kalai bentar ketin paling ki hane ka stronger partnership. Kemudian bangi trelang ka kham khran chu. Kemudian kalong kisnong kita bat ki hapring kisnong kita na hapring ka sarkar na chong ka celane chong ka ri bra ka we ne chong ka dik pathai bra ka we ro kemudian hamia trelang kan. Kalau along kebadan kam ke ada kata kabar pat long increase investment kata kalau bagi haban bon ke cing pelut cungi kan bagi pelut kambon nam ta kan dia bagi nyada banyak kun maka nickel air bagi musim kan kam khoi pat kabalai pat ki ong hada ka share responsibility kum bai sa ro ila batai bane ya ong ba kadik kamram cungi we pi we bro kum ki nong snong mde ngimne ban ong bagi ngidai kita ki nong snong cong kari na kan ka chaka dai king ki nong snong cong ka parthai bro ka we nama kan air pollution ka cing bo cing air kam don kata upur usan kakta salan sarbe ta kamut kum kinong susnong bar khoi hi ngide man chim ka chingkit khia bang ngide man pruna ya kani bat ngide man tip ro ba ka chaka ka chungi ka de ban long ka khoi ka ba khanang ba hakani ka pating ka chungi ba mantaro ane hakala we ka ban sawan ro kalong ba ngide man prakhat kan Nama larangim sim ya ka larangim sim ki Khiah larangim sim kerke ya ka kam menta dai kemul hakalawe cungi ngim tip ikan kan lam kan. Kamu kan no kam bengile kamu ngila he. Ngimla ban no chu weng lu kita ke development block Koit app ringi hab biat rengkat tamang hab biat lakat kum kita teknologis kan. Tak kata kan kadi betul kam ngas ngau.
Penun ke jinglong ya thawi rengkat mo belong balance namar. Hoi menta namar kibri menta kisyo asngo ben doktor ya kata ka climate change ne kim tip ke ai ban le la ni ke ai ban kila ban no senyang kumno ban pensange no la ni ban pensuki. Ya kata ka climate change la ni ya kata ka Jingkylla ha ka jinglong ka sun beneng ka bakta pat yangi kibri ban shong halor kani ka slakndo tingi sotanat bangiyo ya kani ka por ka bangiyo banya grand banya flu jingmut but I doctor but I Shri Dasgupta halor kani ka phang climate change but kumnu ka khta ka Koit ka Khiah ka jungi hoit kani ka phang kalong ka bayar hadu ka tam ni doctor bala sila dang don ka por banya grand ki dang bon ki phang ki ba la singila ban ben gendet ben riu ki brio ka bang impoi perkhat bangi de kita ki banok senyang sakani ka jing kela jong ka sun beneng ndai la sing milenti bangin yo para ka ka por bangin yo banya simbenta biang hakane bangin nang ya thir shu bat banang ya sam jingmut shu halor kani ka jing ka climate change la ne kata ka Jingkylla ka sun beneng bat ka ai ka ba ngidei ban le ta sashi sin ai ku blai phi doctor and yes Mr. Dasgupta thank you for your coming to our studio and contributing your experience about air pollution being in the traffic branch, and we know it's one of the most vulnerable place to be, as doctor also has said. There are many people who are vulnerable in getting these diseases due to air pollution, and I believe so we wish that we will be more responsible as as citizens, so that we can contribute for the clean air, so that we can revert and get clean air.
Exactly.
So we wish you all the best in in your work, and doctor ngi ai kublai phi but ngi kit bokit wiang ma pinang la ban ashibon ke jingno senyang ha ka kam ka pitre te sa sisien ngi ai kublai ki parlok ki jongi ki bapai ikani ka program ai bangin long ru kita ki nong sumar sukher ikani ka Mariang saudong saukun namar ka jing mentoi hi ka dai na ka benta jongi hi bat ka Koit ka Khiah jongi hi kublai shibon.